Landon? Landon, do you want to go for a walk? Landon, you want to go for a walk? Look, it's a beautiful day. There's nothing scary here, right? It's a park. We'll just walk through the park. No need to be scared. Come on. Let's walk. Good boy. You want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Come on. Let's go. I'll race you. You want to race? Let's race. Come on. Let's race. Good boy. Good boy. Ah, so nice today. Walk on the trail. What's this? What's this over here? What's that? What is that? It's okay. Wait, Landon. Okay. Look, it's a cemetery. We have to be quiet and we have to be respectful. Landon, come here. It's okay. It's nothing to be afraid of. It's okay. It's okay. It's an old slave cemetery. No, you can't go in there. You just look. No. What is it? What do you hear? What is it? Landon? No. You don't go over there. No, don't go into the woods. No. I don't go into the woods. Landon. What was that? Oh my gosh! Watch out! Landon! Quick! Come on! Run! Do you hear something else? What was that sound? No, don't go in there. Don't go in there, Landon! Landon! Come back! What is that? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go. I didn't think this was going to be a scary walk. But maybe it is. Okay, I'll race you. Quick, let's run. It's okay. It's okay. Good boy. You tell him. Tell him who's boss. Okay, let's go. Say bye-bye.